Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Guys, today we will be cooking one of my favorite meal, one of my very favorite Jamaican meal. Today we will be having rice and peas with oxtail. Yes, that's what we'll be having today. That's one of my most favorite Jamaican dishes apart from stew, peas and rice. So I've added 3 cups. Is it 3 or 3.5 cups of rice? I will be washing it, and that will be added to the peas, in which you will see confused. Now, I like to keep my hands away from the water as much as possible. I like wearing my gloves in the kitchen. And yes, that's how I go about doing my stuff. It's not a must, because from you wash your hands, you know your hands are clean and stuff. But it's just that for me, I don't want my nails, although I don't have any false nails on, but I don't want my nails to be water soaked and all of that. So, yep, I prefer to wear my gloves. So what you see me doing now, I am washing the rice. I'm using basmati rice, and depending on the rice that you use, it will, some rice is more cleaner than some. When I say cleaner, it's like I think it's a starch that we want to get off as much starch as possible. So when the rice is being washed, if you notice, the water will be like a white color, because it's the starches that are coming from the rice. So there's not a set amount of time of how many times you should wash your rice, but you should just wash your rice until the water is as clear as possible when you finish. So for me, I wash my rice a few times. I will wash and I will wash and I will wash my rice a few times until I have the desired look that I'm going for. So I wouldn't say to wash your rice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times or whatever. It depends totally on what you want to do and what type of rice you're using and all of that good stuff. So I'm just continuing to wash my rice, preparing it for it to go to add to my red kidney beans. So yes, that's what I'm doing at the moment. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. So now I have finished washing the rice, and I will be adding it to the peas that it has been cooking with the coconut cream, all my seasoning, my thyme, my scallion, my pepper, what's it called again, my scotch bonnet pepper. I forgot the name of my pepper, yeah. Well, I put a whole scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just giving the pot a mix. You can see a bit of red. That bit of red is the pepper. And I have my scallion, all my seasoning, my scallion, my onion, my cream, coconut cream. And I will be adding my rice to the pot. So here we go. I'm now adding the rice I washed previously to the pot, based on them. I'm hoping I have the correct amount of liquid in the pot so I don't have to take any out, because sometimes what happens, I end up with more the water to cook the rice and peas in. I often have leftovers, so hopefully today I have measured the rice properly and all the water that I've added, all the liquid that I've added will be enough. So I'm just trying to get every bit of rice grain out the pot. Now I'm just stirring, mixing around the red kidney beans and making sure that everything is okay. So I'm just giving you a look at how it looks. So that's my pot ready with all my, yes, I have enough water. Oh my god, I have enough. Yes, I measured the correct amount of rice so that my rice will not be soggy, because I don't like when the rice is soft and soggy. In Jamaica we would say we don't like when the rice poto. So yes, I don't like when my rice is soft and soggy. I like when it's shelly. We say shelly in Jamaica. So I'm just turning the cooker down. I think I'm turning it down to number 3, because I don't like my rice to burn at the bottom at no time at all. The bottom should be the same as the top. I don't want a bun in my rice. I don't like when my rice bun none at all. So I reduce the heat once I add my rice to the pot. So yes, that's how it goes. And now I am now preparing the pot to do my oxtail. And guys, you have to always clean as you go. When I'm in the kitchen, rather, I don't like to be in a dirty kitchen, guys. I like my kitchen to be clean. Anywhere I see any spots, I may not have the most fanciest apartment in the world, but I like to keep it clean. So guys, that is the seasoned oxtail that I did from the previous day. So I seasoned the oxtail from the previous day and I put it in the fridge. So that's when I'm ready to cook my Sunday dinner. It is marinated well. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm turning the cooker on because I need to brown the oxtail first before I pressure it, because I'm gonna pressure cook it today because I'm low. I think my electric is low and I'm having some problems with my keys. I can't find my keys. I don't know where it is. So today's cooking is, I'm using the pressure cooker more because I want to finish in time. Guys, you might be wondering, oh, why is she wearing that inside? Guys, the place is cold. It's nice and sunny outside, but inside my kitchen, inside of my house, cold. It's winter and my cold, my easy for cold, and me like to keep nice and warm and comfortable. So that's it. So I'm being impatient now, so I just grab some hand towel, some paper towel, and I'm just drying the pot out because I just rinse it. Remember, we washed the rice in it, so I want the pot to be dried and get heated quickly so I can add the oil and do my oxtail. So I'm just giving it a little clean. Guys, I'm a sucker for cleaning. Yes, whatever spot, sometimes you see a spot and say, oh, I didn't see that one. And I just keep it moving. I don't like a dirty kitchen. So I'm just adding some oil to the pot so I can brown, give the oxtail some color, as we say in Jamaica. let it cook for a bit, let the season get for soaking it under a slow heat before we add the water for it to pressure. We don't want to just throw it in the pot and then add the water and just pressure it like we're boiling soup or something like that. No, we want the meat to have a nice delicious taste. So that is why we marinated it from the day before, and then now we're gonna just allow it to cook on a slow cook for the color, because we like our meat, we don't like white color meat, or we don't like when our meat doesn't have a pale look. We like when our meat is dark. Most Jamaicans like it like that. Yes, we think like when it doesn't have color, it don't cook good. And so yeah, but anyway, that's how we do it. Doesn't mean you have to do it like that, but I'm just telling you that that is the way we do it. So what I'm doing now, I'm just about to add the oxtail to the pot, but the pot is still not hot enough. The oil is not hot enough, so I'm just giving it some time. So guys, if you like this video, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, remember to give it a like. You can share, and you can also subscribe to see more of my cooking videos. Okay guys, so keep watching and I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and come along as I cook my Sunday dinner. Today I'll be doing rice and peas and oxtail. So I'm just waiting on the oil to be heated, and I think it is. So now I'll be adding the oxtail that I seasoned from yesterday. And I'm gonna add it to the pot. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time here, thank you for watching, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe to the video. So in today's video, we will be cooking rice and peas and oxtail, Jamaican rice and peas and oxtail. So the rice and peas is in the pot, simmering down. Let me turn it down to number 2. And I've just put the oxtail in the pot for it to brown and catch some color. After which I'm going to pressure cook it for a bit. And we'll take it from there. Let's show you. So like this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And comment. But this is my way of doing my Jamaican rice and peas and oxtail. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're watching and you've reached this far, thank you for watching, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe for more videos of this nature. So at the moment, what I'll be doing, I'll be making my dough. I'll be mixing my flour, making some dumplings. Call them spinners. Just some little dumplings to go in the oxtail. Just a little spinners probably. I always use too much flour, but hey ho, I like spinners anyway, so the more the merrier. So I'm just preparing my dough to put it aside. So when I'm ready and the oxtail is almost finished, the spinners or the roll-ups are the little spinners dumpling them. Them something like when a stew peas, yeah, we put them in a oxtail sometimes. I like to put it in my oxtail sometimes. So what I'm doing now, I'm just mixing my dough to set it aside. So when I'm ready, I will be adding it to my meat pot. Man, when you're doing this dough, this works on your muscles, trust me. If you want to build your muscles, just build some doughs there. Well, you know what I mean, but yeah. So here I'll go kneading the flour. And I have a bread maker. I have a bread maker that I normally use to make the dough, but so I never have much electricity yesterday, so I had to do some manual stuff. So another reason why I always have on my gloves and things, cause yeah, I need the flour to go in my get me. So that is it. So watch me as I go along, kneading my flour and preparing it for the pot. I'm gonna put it down, cover it, and put it down for later. So guys, if you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more. Okay, let's go. guys, as I said, when I'm in the kitchen, I like my kitchen to remain spotless and clean. So as I go along, I always try to clean up. I don't like to be in a dirty kitchen. I don't want to cook if the kitchen is dirty. I'm not in the mood. It puts me off and all of those things. So when I'm in my kitchen, there's always something to do. There is always something to do. There's always some spot to wipe off or something. You can see the window there is all dirty as well. But we have been having some rain recently, and during the winter time, it's the windows get more dirty because you don't even want to open up your window to the certain things. But in due time, them will get them spring clean and bring them back to them glory. So as we are gonna be checking on the meat, that's the oxtail that we have in the pot. We're gonna look at it to see how it's going. So that's what it's like before I've added any water, because later on I'm gonna be adding some water to the oxtail so that, oops, I don't think I can manage with one hand. The pot is shifting on the cooker. So, yes, I have to stabilize. Yes, I have to make sure safety comes first, because me not want my pot of oxtail turn over because I don't cry. So yes, I'm just giving the pot a, yes, as I was saying, guys, I got distracted for a minute, so I had to stop recording. So what I'm gonna do, so we are cooking the oxtail, cooking it with just a tiny amount of water. Oh, now we're gonna be pouring water on it because it has been cooking for a bit now, and we're gonna be pouring some water on it so that so it can be pressured. So I'm putting a bit of water in it, enough as the pressure would allow, because this meat will take a bit longer to get tender, so I know it's not gonna dry out and burn. So I'm just adding enough water that I think is necessary. I've added enough water to cover over the top of the meat, so the meat is submerged in the water. So what I'm doing now, I'm just covering the pressure cooker, and I'm gonna let that maybe do for about 20 minutes before I check it. I'm gonna let it pressure for about 20 minutes before I check to see that it's okay. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you for watching. This is part 1. I'm gonna have to do a part 2. So thanks for watching. Oh, I'm giving you a sneak peek of my rice and peas. So my rice and peas is ready, guys. My rice and peas is good to go. Nice and shelly. We don't like poto rice, and we don't like when the rice and peas poto. Yes, and for the record, I don't cook with a lot of salt. I cook with minimal salt. Minimal. Mini. When me say less salt, yeah, my taste buds not too like too much of the salt thing there. So people want, they can add salt, but yeah, I don't eat. But look at shelly rice, guys. Look at rice. Our rice nice and shelly. Yes, that's how I like my rice. I don't like safi pot rice. Yes, I like if you can cut my rice grain them. Or if you can cut them, them shelly and That's why I like basmati rice. That's one of my favorite rice to cook with. So that's how my rice and peas is coming on. I think I might need to turn the cooker off now, because that seems as if it is ready. I'm just giving it a mix so that the peas and everything will be distributed in the pot properly. We know the bun rice. I don't like when my rice bottom burn no time at all. So I always cook my rice on a slow heat. The minute I put the rice in the peas water with the coconut and the seasoning and everything, I like to just reduce the heat on my pot because me not wanna burn. So it look like I've turned it down to number 2,
on my electric cooker. So stay
Hi
tuned,
guys, it's me again. So
guys,
I'm just gonna let
for
my
part
oxtail
2. See you
pressure
later.
for
Thanks
about
for watching. Remember to
15 to
like,
20
share, and
minutes and
subscribe.
then I'll be coming back to check. Oh, camera's there. I'll be coming back to check how tender it gets. I don't want it to be too soft, but soft enough. So I see you in 15 minutes. Ooh. Oh guys, before I go, remember, if you like this video, remember to give it a like, share, and subscribe, and to leave any comments if you wish so. Oh, I was doing the dough earlier because I'm gonna put some spinners into my oxtail with some butter beans. So yeah, I will catch